Let's give her a check. She's doubled. All right, let's move on.
Wanted to quickly add, my shirt came in. Yay! Go dogs. Okay, back to the bread. All right, so I showed you the second rise. So all I'm gonna do now is pull it out, tip it over onto my parchment paper. Give it a nice tight curl under, just to tighten my ball. And I'm gonna get a good knife and decorate the top. My oven is preheating to 450. Place this into my Dutch oven that's right here beside me. There it is. All right, lid's gonna go on, and it's gonna bake with the lid on for 30 minutes, no, 20 minutes, I'm sorry. And then I'll take the lid off and it'll bake for another 30. So I'll show you when it's done. Okay, I sort of forgot to video taking it out of the oven and taking the lid off, and I wanted to do all that, but that's okay. It's done and she's pretty. Look at her. She's sitting here cooling on my makeshift cooling rack. I don't have one, so I made one. It's a pot holder and the rack from my toaster oven. But it works, it works. But anyway, so I am no way, shape, form, or fashion a pro at this. I just realized I used wax paper instead of parchment paper, so I've got a little bit on the bottom that I'm having to peel off. But it tastes good. It's got the holes all in it like sourdough bread is supposed to have in it. I'm crooked, let's fix it. But anyway, so I'm learning, just figured I'd share my process as I learn with you, because there are other people I'm sure that aren't ready to just jump in and do all the things that the pros do. So we're learning as we go here. But that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed the process. And yes, it took 3 days, so you got 3 different Stephanies. But if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to drop a name below. Give me some help choosing her name. I'd love it to be like my starter's name. I'd love it to be office themed. I was thinking Pammy, but I don't know. Give me some advice on what you think I should name my starter. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do, and tap that bell. But that's it, y'all. I'll see you next time for another cool video. Bye.